Good morning to all. How are you today? I am fine and I hope that you will be same like me. Today we are going to talk what is the importance of English in my successful life. As we know that English is not only a language nowadays but it is the medium of communication. Without English we have faced a lot of problem when we go abroad. There we face a lot of problem because the people in abroad speak their regional language and as well as English. Then we don't know English, then we cannot understand their regional language because so many regional language present and it is impossible to learn all these languages. So if we learn English also, then we can understand their language and they also understand my language. So that problem will be solved by the English. That is first topic. And the second topic, job. As we know that unemployment is very increasing day by day because of increasing of population. So in that situation, uh, job is very difficult. But it is also true that if you know English, then you can take a job in a call center in any big company because it is very good vacancy for English. And after that if you give exam of any entrance exam of government job or private job, then question paper in English language, then if you don't know English, then how can you give the answer of that question and how can you face the interview for job, because in interview all the questions asked in English language. Okay. Now the next topic is computer. Do you know what is the importance of computer in my life? Yeah, all know that it is very important because all the works has done by the computer nowadays. So if we don't know English, how can we operate the computer? Because all the keywords, all the sentences written in computer in English language. So if we don't know English, we cannot able to operate the computer and we cannot enhance our knowledge about computer. Nowadays it is also true that it is materialistic life. Everyone wants to enhance our social status, everyone wants to improve his daily life, but it is not true that everyone is able to buy car, everyone able to buy bangla, because if we buy car bangla, then we can enhance our social status, but it is not available for poor man. Then what will they do in that situation? That is only one solution, English. If we know English, we can enhance our social status without any cost. Now business, if we do business also, because all my partners and all my distributor, all my other people who engage in my business, it is not necessary that it belongs to my area and he speak my language. It is also true that it belongs to Kerala, it belongs to Gujarat, they speak their regional language. In that situation, how can we understand? When we do our business in abroad, they speak in English, then how can we deal with our business? That is the problem because lack of my English. So that I say now, English is very important for our life. Now we are going to tell you some tips that you can improve our English with the help of my tips. Okay, please be quiet and listen very carefully. First of all, you have to think in English, unless wrong or right. Try to think. You remember in Hindi a story and try to say by your own minds. Don't frustrate, because a lot of when you speak like a mind came in front of you, then in that situation how can you speak without frustration? So that is, you remember a story in Hindi and try to convert it English. After a few months you will your English will automatically improve. And second, words power. Words power is very important because without words you cannot convert Hindi to English. Words is the backbone. Do you know backbone? Backbone is reed ki haddi. Words power is the reed ki haddi, I mean bone of my body, bone of English language. So it is necessary that you can remember a lot of words, you can increase your words power. Then you have improve your sentence power. You remember all these and uses as well, daily life sentences like that's all हो गया, what happened, क्या हुआ, etc. Now the next way of improving your English is read English movies, watch English movies, read English story, read English books, and try to speak in front of the people. Because you know English very well, but you don't speak in front of people, then you cannot improve your English. So it is very necessary that you can say anything, unless wrong or right. Go to the field and try to speak in English, unless what the people say don't mean about this. Okay, so that's my session. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video. Thank you to all my viewers. Thank you.